All right, ladies and gentlemen, here's the trade I took today. Or actually, I took two trades. Both got stopped out at break even. This trade, it's unfortunate. One, my fill was really bad for some reason. It just like it didn't execute at the right time. Also, if we flush through this, or if we inverse this, we should be able to flush all the way down here. And then if we inverse this, we should be able to flush through that and also sell side. Wow, that's brutal. Yeah, that's brutal seeing this hit break even and then now we run. Yeah, okay. Whatever. It is what it is. As you all know, Price has not been delivering for some reason ever since like last week. It's just been chop, chop, chop. Then we finally get an entry, but like you're in the position for fucking an hour or two. But yeah, let's get into this trade recap from today. Coming into the day, I had a neutral bias. I was leaning a little bit more bearish, and I was leaning more bearish until this sell side gets hit, so around the 27 mark, or also this. What is this? This is a new week Thursday, new day opening gap right here, like a tiny little gap. So yeah, we also had this sell off. So I was leaning more bearish. We also just inversed this gap. I was like, all right, bro, like we're going down to sell side at least. Take this out, then we can possibly look for a reversal to the 50%. But other than that, I wasn't bullish. And I told the Discord this. I was like, hold on, let me leave this. I told the Discord before the 10 a.m. candle closed, I was like, yo, if the 10 a.m. candle actually inverses this, I'm willing to go long, right? And I'll catch, I don't know, probably like 25 points at most. Did we flush through that? I just want to see something real quick. No, we still have not inversed that. But other than that, like, there's not much really what you can. I mean, you could target this trend line, I guess. Let's see. It's not the best trend line, but I guess you could have targeted that if we inversed hourly, but we did not. Anyways, market open. We Where's market open? All right, we came up. We took out these 30-minute highs, I believe, or 15-minute. I think yeah, we came up, took out those 15-minute highs. We started coming down. There was this 2-minute right here, or was it a 3-minute? Yeah, there's this 3-minute where I was gonna take, and then I saw how far down we got, and I was like, yeah, bro, like I'm done. There's no way I'm taking that. Like we already took out so much like liquidity. But yeah, and then we made like relatively equal lows right here, and I was like, oh, golden. Like I definitely want a short. Oh my god, we're actually wow. That's that's sad. Anyways, and then I saw a couple people take this. This is a 50-50 straight pattern trade. Yeah, good job though. I guess you hit take profit. These work 50% of the time. I believe we also had an SMT down here from these lows down to these lows on ES. These lows up to these lows. Yeah, we did have an SMT. Now I'm like looking at this trade. My bad. I just want to see if this is gonna inverse. Yeah, we're gonna flood. Okay. Okay. That sucks. Anyways, then the next trade I didn't take. Then the first trade I took, it was just based off price coming into the hourly gap, like fully trading into it. We had about 10 minutes until the hourly candle closes, and NQ actually um, did not, or MNQ did not inverse this 5-minute gap, right? You can see where it closed, while NQ while NQ actually did inverse this gap, but it was like it wasn't the best, right? It wasn't the best healthy candle. As you see, where is this? As you see, we did inverse it. Now, break even point on this was actually this 5-minute candle, and yeah, I ended up getting break even, and that was it. Again, this fill was not the best. I got filled like down here, so it was like a really fast break even. Uh, and if anyone took this trade, definitely would I would scale here one contract, two, and then leave sell side to have more. Unless we actually just get break even here, which I wouldn't be surprised. But then the next trade, we came up, and honestly, I was about to get off. Right, I was about to get off. This shit was ass. We're not delivering. We're just consolidating. We are playing in this 5-minute gap on MNQ. We actually inversed it on NQ. So I honestly did not know what was going on. And then I saw this 1-minute SMT, right, from these highs up to these highs on ES, these highs down to these highs. And I was like, all right, this 1-minute SMT is not confirmed until we inverse this 1-minute gap. we disrespected that. Did we disrespect the 3 minute? We did disrespect the 3 minute. So I was like, the 1 minute SMT is not confirmed unless we disrespect it and we get like a good candle. And it was like a decent candle overall. Break even was at the slow, and again the fill was shit. I clicked execute and it's just sitting there, just like gray. And yeah, so I ended up getting filled down here. Quick break even, boom, stop that at break even. So yeah, that's the trade I took today. 2 break evens. Not the not the best price action, but what are you gonna do? Last week we weren't delivering, and this week seems like we're not delivering. I don't know. Hopefully we can get some news to get the market going. Let me check Forex Factory. We have FOMC, so I'm guessing tomorrow is going to be federal fund rates. Yeah, I'm guessing tomorrow price action is going to be choppy until, what is that, 2 o'clock? Yeah, until FOMC comes out. This trade, you would still be in it. Yeah, you would still be in it. I'm surprised we're not flushing through this, which is weird. Yeah, an SMT or something. Now we got equal lows down here. I guess you could call that SMT, but yeah. So those are the 2 trades I took today. 2 break evens. It is what it is. Not gonna cry about it. Executed really well. Yesterday I took no trades. There was nothing to be taken. But yeah. So, anyways, I appreciate you guys for watching this trade recap. I will see you guys in the next trade recap if I take a trade or when I take a trade. Peace.